Hey, I just wanted to let you know we're down at the Cincinnati Home and Garden Show. We have a lot of pretty things for you to see. You know, spring's right around the corner. It felt like it the other day. And I just wanted to show you what our booth looks like. I'm very fortunate to have a great show. Show artwork, some accessories, cute little chickadee chick there. And then this is a beautiful table we just got in. Nice leather chairs, beautiful arrangement. And of course, everybody enjoys our candles. And then we have some nice bags. So if you're not doing anything, come down and see us. I think you'll be happy. We are. We had a lot of people here over the weekend. And now we're just starting our journey again. So thanks for watching my video. And heck, if you're not doing anything and you want a breath of fresh air, come out to SACKSTEDER'S at either one of our locations and just see how pretty it is heading into our spring fever, which will happen soon.